This video is a complete one-stop solution for Mastercam post-processors. If you are searching on Google or YouTube for Mastercam post-processors, Mastercam 2026 post-processors, or a complete Mastercam post-processor bundle, this video is made for you. In this video, I will show how to download and install post-processors in Mastercam, and I will also present a very large and well-organized collection of Mastercam post-processors used in real production environments. Many CNC programmers struggle to find the correct post-processor for their machine, controller, or number of axes. This video is created to solve the problem and help you find the right Mastercam post-processor quickly and reliably. This collection includes Mastercam post-processors for milling machines, lathes, mill turn machines, wire EDM machines, and CNC routers. For milling machines, the collection supports 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis configurations. This includes VMC and HMC machines, trunnion machines, table configurations, table head configurations, and advanced 5-axis setups. The milling post-processors support popular CNC controllers such as Fanuc, Haas, Mazak, Okuma, Heidenhain, Siemens, and Mitsubishi. For lathe and mill turn machines, the collection includes 2-axis lathes, C-axis lathes, CY-axis machines, and advanced multi-axis mill turn configurations, commonly used in modern CNC shops. For wire EDM machines, the collection includes post-processors for Fanuc, Makino, Mitsubishi, Arch Charmills, and Sodic wire machines, including standard and technology-based configurations. For CNC routers, the collection supports 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis routers. This includes fixed gantry routers, moving gantry routers, dual table machines, drill block configurations, and multi-head router setups. This Mastercam post-processor bundle contains hundreds of tested and organized post-processors suitable for real shop floor production, not just demo or academic use. All post-processors are compatible with Mastercam versions, from X9 up to Mastercam 2026. Both metric and inch formats are included, along with ready-to-run machine definitions. In this video, I also show where to place post-processor files in Mastercam, how to select the correct machine definition, how to assign the post-processor, and how to generate clean and correct G-code. If you are looking for a specific Mastercam post-processor, and you do not see your exact machine or controller, you can contact us directly. You can request a single Mastercam post-processor, or a complete Mastercam post-processor collection, depending on your requirement. To contact us, send an email to cncpostcenter@mail.com. When contacting us, please include your machine model, controller name, number of axes, and Mastercam version, so we can help you with the correct post-processor solution. We also provide large post-processor collections for SolidCAM, PowerMill, and other popular CNC CAM software. This video is created for CNC programmers, CAM engineers, job shops, and manufacturing companies who want reliable and production-ready Mastercam post-processors.